Hey there, let me ask you a hard truth. Are your YouTube thumbnails actually doing their job? You could have the best content in the whole world, but if nobody clicks, it doesn't matter. They don't see you. You're losing views, watch time, and yes, potential revenue. And trust me, I've been there, so I know what I'm talking about. Spending hours making videos and wondering why they barely get any traction. But guess what? The problem wasn't the video itself, it was the thumbnail. In this video, I'm going to break down how I completely changed my thumbnail game with help from 5 powerful tools that now save me hours and deliver results that I'm satisfied with. So keep watching because this will change the way you create thumbnails forever. Let's be real. YouTube is a business, so you should treat it as such. And your thumbnail is your billboard, so people can see you and find you. Click through rate matters. More clicks means more views and more Google AdSense. More views means more watch time, and more watch time means higher earnings. So, whether you're monetized yet or not, your thumbnail can directly impact your growth and your income. And that's why you're here, right? Now, let me ask you this. Why did you click on this video? It was probably because of the thumbnail, right? That image caught your eye. It sparked your curiosity and interest, and it hit an emotion. That's exactly the kind of power I want to help you unlock. And yes, I use the same tools I'm about to show you and share with you in this video to create your thumbnail. One thumbnail can change everything, and I'm proof of that. I used to overthink every thumbnail, sit there and wonder. I've tried, I'd try 5 different colors, 6 fonts, and still end up with something that didn't click. Then it hit me. People don't click because of the design, they click because of emotion, curiosity, drama, story. Once I shifted from pretty thumbnails to powerful story thumbnails, my entire process changed. And today, I use tools that help me shortcut the guesswork. Let me tell you about them. ChatGPT. Yep, I start right there. I use prompts to generate emotional, dramatic, scroll stopping thumbnail ideas. Pixels. This is my go to for AI powered image creation. It's super visual, super detailed. Leonardo is for cinematic, powerful visuals that feel like Netflix drama. Canva gives you quick, clean text overlays, especially good for beginners. And you can use its new media feature, but it does have a few limitations, let me warn you, and a learning curve. But the more you do it, the more you get better at it. vidIQ has been the best so far for me. It has a new thumbnail feature that is a total game changer. Plus, their generate feature ties in with the thumbnail creation tool, so you get better thumbnail results without even using your own prompts. And I'm proud to be an affiliate of Pixels and vidIQ because I use them myself. So I can attest to their power. And I genuinely love them. I really do. In one of my latest videos, I give all 5 tools the same prompt. And the prompt was a 40-year-old black woman catches her husband cheating with a younger woman. Each tool interpreted the prompt in its own style, but the results, they were all powerful, clickable, and emotional. No guesswork, no wasted time. It told a story before the video even started. And that's the power of smart thumbnails. That one example taught me that good thumbnails don't need to be complicated. They just need to be clear and concise and to the point. Ask yourself, what's the story your thumbnail is telling in half a second? Is it curiosity? Is it shock? Is it drama? Is it intrigue? Because if it doesn't spark emotions like those, it's not doing its job. These tools that I'm telling you about help you tell better stories faster. So if you're tired of uploading videos that flop, if you're done guessing what might work or what might not, this is your sign to level up. These tools don't just save time, they save frustration. And they help you create thumbnails that people actually want to click. I've linked all the tools I use down below in the description. Some of them have free trials, and yes, they are affiliate links, some of them. So if you grab one, I do get a small commission, but more importantly, you get your time back and you get results faster. Start testing your thumbnails like a pro and stop overthinking this thing. And hey, I'm doing a few more videos like this to help you grow smarter and faster. So make sure you hit that like button and subscribe button so you don't miss what's next. All right, that's it for now. Go build a thumbnail that actually works. And to help you get started, I invite you to download my free video planning guide and free viral cheat sheet. And if you are really serious about taking your channel to the next level, check out my YouTube Creator Kit and my ebook about how to create a successful Faceless channel. The links are in the description as well. And make sure to also check out the thumbnail creation tools in the description. This is your moment. So take it, take advantage of it. And oh, by the way, if you want to support the channel, please do so by clicking the super thanks button, below the video. I would certainly appreciate the gesture. Thanks in advance for doing so. And if you found value from this video, I kindly ask you to share the video with someone who would benefit from it as well. And hit the notification bell so that you don't miss out on future videos. I have created this space so that I can help you to grow your channel, as I did mine on True Travel Treasures. Over there, I have over 47,000 subscribers, and it's fully monetized. I was monetized in 3 months, and as I go along, I'm learning as you are. But I want to give back because I'm no longer a beginner. I think I'm in the intermediate phase, if I may say so. Yes, I'm no expert, but I want to share with you, unload on you what I've learned and what I've worked for me to make my channel successful. And I'm going to take this channel to the same place using the same tools. And I advise you to jump on board and do the same because it will help you so that you don't get frustrated and give up. Because we ain't quitting around here. No, we're not. You're not. Trust me, you're not. Take care. This is Shirley, your host, saying bye for now, but only for now. Until the next video, I'll see you soon.